Friends, online and retail market fashion store Nykaa has finally announced its IPO. Nykaa IPO has been one of the most awaited IPOs of this year, and the IPO comprises a total issue of approximately 630 crores. So the IPO will start opening from 28 October and it will conclude on the 1st of November. The price band of the IPO has been fixed at Rs 1085 at the lower band to 1125 rupees at the upper band. Nykaa was founded in 2012 by Falguni Nair, a former investment banker and a product of IIM Ahmedabad. Today, Nykaa is a leading multi-brand beauty and personal care platform in India, and it has been ramping up its presence in the fashion space across India with its e-commerce and different brick and mortar stores also. So Falguni founded Nykaa in 2012 with seed investment in April 2012, and the term Nykaa is derived from a Sanskrit term which means actress or heroine. So the important thing to note about Nykaa's IPO is that it will be an inspiring moment and a watershed moment for all the women entrepreneurs. As explained earlier also, Nykaa will be the only woman-led unicorn which will about to become public in India. The website, the Nykaa app and its 70 around stores have combined to give the company revenues approximately 24 billion last year, and as of now the startup is profitable. In the last financial year, the company has reported a net profit of rupees 61.9 crores as compared to the loss of rupees 16 crores in the previous year, and the revenue from operations has jumped in this year to approximately rupees 2400 crores from 1700 crores in the last year. The mobile app of the company has been downloaded more than 43 million times, and more than 86% of its online gross merchandise value comes through its mobile application. Some of the merchant bankers for this IPO include Kotak Mahindra, Morgan Stanley, the Citigroup, JM Financial and ICICI Securities. So friends, that's it for right now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for giving me motivation. I'll come up with a separate video explaining the different recommendations of the brokerage houses for this IPO. Thanks.